Hello children, now you have to study properties of diamonds. First property of diamond is the hardest substance. Why diamond is the hardest substance? Its reason is diamond contains 4 tetrahedral carbon bond. These three-dimensional bond produce a very rigid structure, and atoms are very close in contact. Therefore, density of the diamond is high, and diamond is considered as hardest substance. Second is the melting point. Children, in the diamond, carbon and carbon atoms are joined by covalent bond. So these bonds are very strong. Large amount of energy required for breaking these bonds. Therefore, its melting point is very high. Next is refractive index. Diamond has high refractive index. Numerical value of refractive index of diamond is 2.415, and due to its high refractive index, it produces maximum total internal reflection, and due to maximum total internal reflection, there is shining, and it appears sparkling. Next is specific gravity. So diamond has high specific gravity. So why the diamond has high specific gravity? Due to closed and compact tetrahedral structure. So due to closed and compact tetrahedral structure, the specific gravity of the diamond is high. Next property is conductivity. Diamond is non-conductor of electricity. Its reason is diamond has 4 valence electrons, and all the 4 valence electrons are involved in bond formation. There is single covalent bond, so all the 4 electrons are involved in the bond formation. There is no free electrons. Therefore, diamond cannot conduct electricity, and it also cannot conduct heat. Next property of diamond is effect of heat. Diamonds are stable to heat, but it is destroyed when it is heated strongly. When it is heated in the presence of oxygen at 800 degree centigrade temperature, the carbon of diamond combine with oxygen and form carbon dioxide. And when diamond is heated in the absence of oxygen, nearly at 1600 degree centigrade temperature, then diamond change into graphite. So children, if question is what is the effect of heat on diamond, then you have to say diamond is destroyed when heated strongly in the presence of oxygen at 800 degree centigrade temperature. It forms carbon dioxide at 1600 degree centigrade temperature. In the absence of oxygen, it is going to change into graphite. Last properties of diamond is chemical properties. Chemically, diamond is inert. It means diamond cannot react. But in some special conditions, it may react. But under ordinary condition, it does not react with chemical reagents. Therefore, diamond is called chemically inert. Children, many times question has asked, what is the reason why the diamond is sparkling, shining? So this sparkling and shining of the diamond is due to high refractive index. The light that enters the crystal of diamond undergoes multiple reflection, and due to multiple reflection, diamond is sparkling. Next, you have to study uses of diamonds. Diamond is used as a precious stone. Diamond has high brilliance, therefore high sparkling, therefore it is used for making jewelry. Diamond is used for making high precision instrument. Diamond is used by eye surgeon. So for the persons who are suffering from cataract, so during the operation, eye surgeons are using sharp-edged diamonds for removing the cataract from the eye. Diamonds are used for making space probes, because space probes protect us from harmful radiations. So in that, diamonds are present. Diamonds protect us from harmful radiation. Next is, what is the use of black diamond? Black diamonds are used in industry. Black diamonds are very hard. Black color of the diamond is due to presence of copper oxide. So black diamonds are used in making laser beam in electronics. Black diamond used as needles of record players. Black diamonds are used for cutting glass as well as diamond. The tip of the boring drills is made up of black diamond, so it can break the hard rocks. For cutting and polishing the diamonds, black diamonds are used. So children, I told what are the uses of diamonds. Diamonds is used as a precious stone. Diamonds are used in high precision instrument. Diamonds are used by eye surgeon for removing the cataract from the eye. Diamonds are used for making the space probes because it protects from the harmful radiation. Black diamond is very hard, therefore it is used in the industry. Children, Nowadays synthetic diamonds has come, and synthetic diamonds lack the optical properties. They are useful, and they are used in the cutting concrete, metal or alloy. But a real diamond is transparent to X-rays, and real diamond can be distinguished from an artificial one, because artificial or synthetic diamonds is not transparent to X rays, and synthetic diamonds are not having the optical properties.